Who can participate? Many people will ask. Well, I'd like to say that anybody can participate. Nevertheless, you have to go through the pre-screening process and confirm that you are eligible to participate. This eligibility process is determined by inclusion and exclusion criteria. And it's like a checklist. If the study has 10 items in the inclusion criteria and you check all of them, you say, wow, I can participate. However, if the exclusion criteria list has 10 items and you have one checked out, then you're not able to participate. So both lists have to kind of align in order to participate in a clinical trial. Okay? And obviously, this process helps investigators achieve best significant results. Does it cost to participate? This is a very general concern and very valuable one. As participant of a clinical trial, at one point in my life, I wanted to make sure if it was going to cost me any money. Well, we tend to forget as patients that we have payments, then we have deductibles, and we will always be responsible for those regardless of the fact that we participate in a clinical trial. In addition to that, there may be some extra costs that at the time of the informed consent, you may be informed. The other thing that I recommend is for someone that is actually contemplating participation in a trial to speak to their insurance company. They can let you know if there will be some coverage on the participant's pocket, or if the insurance will cover everything related to the study. Now, usually anything that goes under the list of a standard of care, any care, like for example, some lab work, some imagery work will be considered standard of care that is covered by the insurance company without any doubt. Nevertheless, anything that is extra, any extra lab work, any extra imagery work, any drug that is on trial, experimental drug, that will be covered by the sponsor. However, I will always check with the insurance company and with the coordinators to see if they have any information in the protocol that will let you know if you have any extra cost out of your pocket besides the co-payments and deductibles.